is kind of old news. Okay, it's not the newest news, but I figured I'll put it on here because maybe some of you may or may not have seen this. It's a post on Reddit. The former Blizzard designer was right about the current state of Blizzard games. Like I said, this came out like, over a month ago. But let's take a look at it. Here's what I believe his name is Dave has to say about the current state of Blizzard.
I think the future holds for Blizzard. Is its ship sinking, or has the sun not yet set on the Blizzard Empire? Well, Blizzard is dead. It is a corpse. It is a corpse being puppeteered by Activision and Bobby Kotick.
Are we surprised, though? Are we surprised about this? Also, this guy's got Bobby Kotick has such a punchable face, but I digress. Anyways, let's continue.
And it's going to be used as basically a factory to put the Blizzard stamp on things and stoke nostalgia to get sales. And that's it. That's it. So stop holding out hope that Blizzard is going to come back.
That's kind of sad.
Everyone who founded Blizzard, all the principles that Blizzard was founded on, they're gone or they're dead. No one died. Sorry, the principles are dead. No one died.
And the question is when those principles in any company go out the window, what those principles were founded on originally, is it really the same company, right? If it changes so drastically, that's a question that I don't know. I don't have an answer to that. If you do, I would like to hear it. I'd like to hear your opinion on that. Just as far as that goes for a company. Anyways, let's continue.
Principles that Blizzard was founded upon are dead. They've been desecrated and are destroyed. So let Blizzard go. That's my main message, is let Blizzard go. Appreciate what was created back when it was done, and stop holding out hope that it's going to come back, because it's not.
Yikes. That's really kind of heartbreaking, right? It's heartbreaking to hear. And the question is now what do we do as far as, fans of the Diablo series or WoW or what not have you, whatever nostalgic feelings you have towards some of the a lot of the Blizzard games. But I'm going to say I kind of saw this coming back when Hearthstone first came out, and it really it's really like a pay to win to set up your decks. At that time, I have not gone back to the game in so long, so I could be wrong. It could have gotten better, but that I saw that game turning into just a big money sink, and I was like, you know what, this isn't for me. And I really like Hearthstone. However, the designer, though, he does have a YouTube channel, Designer Dave, 8.39 thousand subscribers. That's awesome. If you want to check him out there, looks like he's got some Warcraft stuff, does some live streams, shorts. It's nice. So I guess I don't know. I don't know. Do we just ignore the fact that the core values of Blizzard is now gone out the window? Because it's clearly not the same company as it used to be. Now, do we take Designer Dave's opinions to heart, or do we make it more light opinions? Or do we kind of just say, well, he is an ex-employee, right? That's up for you to decide. I know in my last Diablo video, a lot of you were kind of fed up with what the devs had done with Diablo 4. Are you still playing Diablo 4? Should we listen to Designer Dave? I, for one, like I have said originally, I've taken a backseat on Diablo 4. But if you're playing the game and you're enjoying it, more power to you. So, one of my shorter videos, but let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys very much, and I'll talk to you soon.